de crítica concreta.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah, I have a question. I wonder, what's your approach to reuse with the project? It's like our work is like looking on the project they did on 50s, 70s, 80s, and to learn about the building, to understand how they build it, to be able to deconstruct it. So that's our expertise for the moment. But of course, there is another part which is more research. It's about how to design today a building that can be deconstructed in 10, 20 years. So we are working on a discussion group to try to develop a new way of making building, which is more deconstructible.
Spruce.
The footprint of this building compared to a concrete structure.
Do you have in green that is a net storage of CO2, of carbon, because of the wood, the straw, you have a little bit of cellulose, and you have the emission with concrete, steel, and a little bit with the glasses and terracotta.
Yeah.
Is it a material that you can reuse? For example, if there is a wall of bricks of adobes, like when it's already mixed with 7% of cement, like,
Yeah.
is it something that we can after deconstruct and reuse for anything, or remix, or what about this?
That is a question that normally when I say I use cement in my compressor blocks, because it's a way for me to compromise with the client and the engineers. In the earthen environment, this normally is not well seen because of that question. But it's possible, okay? What is happening is you have earth there, you almost don't have any cement mixing. You just mingle that and you use it again. What you need is to reuse, put again some cement there, because the cement is no longer the one that is there is not going to react anymore. Okay, the cement has one thing. The difference between lime and cement is lime will react with the water during the years and time, and it becomes stronger. So that's why you have 100,000 years old construction still in good conditions. Okay, the most important thing is maintenance, but that comes with any kind of material. It's not only earth. When you go to concrete, when you go to cement, you need the cement reacts with water, and in 28 days it is higher performance. Then it's coming down. Okay, so everyone thinks, oh, concrete is the bad thing because it's durable. No. Okay, we have 100 years of concrete construction, and most of the old concrete construction is in really bad shape. Okay, and you cannot reuse it because it's poor, is bad. Okay, so the difference is there. So you put a little bit of cement there with the mixture, you tear it down, you can use it again, you mix again, you put a little bit more and go on.
And why not using lime and not concrete, like in this mix?
Yeah, you can use lime. The problem with lime is lime needs water, and when we work with compressed earth blocks, the amount of water that you need is very less. So it's difficult to come to a good mix that makes the lime work well and performs well with this kind of construction. But it's possible, and we are able to make very good blocks, better or equal to the ones that you are able to do with concrete, with the cement.
Thank you for your attention.
Cool.
Yeah? Super quick, super fast? Yeah?